Baseline, I'm just waiting for the baseline. 15 euros trying to FaceTime. I ain't really trying to FaceTime. Hopefully I got Wi-Fi, so I can tell a girl bye-bye. I just want a little limelight, hoping that I can rhyme tight, hoping that I can rhyme stupid. Hopefully I won't lose.
Guess who's back again. Back again with another video. You know the vibes, you know the thing. Day 6. Today we'll record the video even early. Let's say it's early, it's 10:20 on the day. But you know, you boys go uni. So today we're doing another reaction, 2 back-to-back reactions. I know I've got other things lined up, just need a little bit more editing, you get me? So we're doing a reaction to animal videos. Come on, funny, cute animal videos. How can you go wrong with that? Without further ado, let's get straight into it. No more chatting, no more waffling. It's gonna hit. No laughing, no smiling.
When you're an introvert, but have to accept that your arms have no eyes.
Damn! Damn! What did you expect? Why would you let the dog so close? Man put, oh, he's dead.
They're eating the dog. People that came in, they're eating the cat.
That cat is mad. Why are you eating my people, bro? Bro, why did you let him fall, bro? He was tired.
Perhaps Kitty would like to experience the familiar atmosphere of the birds.
How did she get up? Oh, jumps on the fridge. They might not be turning it on.
Kitty knows more about his own home than his parents do.
Bro, that's how he be getting it. Damn! What happened here? Move! Damn! No, no, no. Bro, catch the cat. What is wrong with you? Grab, like, you see him slipping.
You are abnormal, but Bestie is on the same level as you.
That's actually pretty cute.
The Doberman probably saw an invisible fence in front of him.
Hur nykter du tänker som vad?
Poor cat, what's the cat? Brody did not care. It's the way he completely disappears.
Rabbit could literally hop here for the rest of his life and forget who he was.
Sorry, no fun. No!
In the dream, the only thing this kitten sees are flying musical notes.
What happened? Por andar de pendejo.
Pendero.
Ándale, pendejo.
Hey, you evil thief! Don't take my ball!
Oh, damn! Oh, that's peak. It ran off with the dog's ball.
Tom and Jerry not only appear in cartoons,
I've actually never seen a cat on any clips, in person or anything, actually chase a mouse and get it and kill it. All of these cats, I've seen videos of cats being scared of the mice, running away, playing with them, never attacking the mice. Like, is that not the point of them? Just saying.
but also around us.
Look at this. Niggas rolling, playing dead. This can't be a good idea. He's got to drink somehow.
Not all, however, is the desired results. For instance, this enthusiasm.
Oh my gosh, how does it faceplant? Damn!
This boy proves that the cat's the king of all animals.
It's him.
Human needs a healthy body, but Kitty needs a place to sleep.
Come on, keep getting them push-ups in.
Every day, Doggy chooses a different character to live as.
I'm confused. Oh, he's itching his head.
It seems Doggy's seeing the most mysterious thing that scientists have yet to explain. What prevents Romeo and Juliet from
Fist
being
bumps.
together as not family, but glue?
Oh, damn. Now, how are they going to get them apart? I don't feel like this is going to end well. Oh, that's...
This is a very important moment. It's the day of the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Save your poor cat. Yeah, keep playing.
He doesn't use sweet words to attract his crush. He uses his small butt.
Look at what you're missing out on. Yeah. I feel like I got a sinking feeling that he's pooping in that diaper. I'm not gonna lie. Because he does that and then he goes like he's putting dirt on it. I got a sinking feeling he's pooping in that.
Just one more. I swear it's the last one.
That's why I don't eat at people's houses. Like, that's cool, you want to share food with your animals, but you never know, you get me? Damn! Bangers right there. No, I can already tell what's gonna happen. Ang!
Strange. I have to try it.
Damn! Yeah, kill it. What? See what I mean? Dogs don't even kill birds no more.
What do you think? You're the coolest guy in the parking lot, and then this guy shows up.
When God gives you a challenge, consider it an opportunity to prove your ability.
I'm just glad he didn't hurt himself and the little spikes on top. That's pretty sick though.
And Kitty did exactly that.
That is a really nice little built way. That's pretty sick. I wonder how they trained him to go up there, but that's pretty sick.
It's so good. My tongue can taste the sweetness. Hopefully Kitty will soon realize that the automatic mop can clean the floor without him.
Oh damn! Someone gonna match my.
The more he loves Mama, the more this boy's jealousy of his bro grows.
He's sweet.
I'd be mad too. Why showing him so much love? Where's my love at? He's gonna turn it off.
When he plays games, he always has a fan following him. Despite the evidence, no police officer wanted to put this thief in jail.
Because he lost the food he stole. I know, I got it back. That's a bit mad though. Imagine buying a packet and fight. What kind of satellite dish did they put on that guy, poor cat's head?
Everyone has that one friend who loves to sleep and doesn't care about anything.
My spirit animal for real.
Who's your favorite comedian? Have a nice day.
Will Smith. But damn. Nor the cats, nor the dogs do they care. I'll be real, if I have to pick cats or dogs, recently I've been leaning towards cats, but hey, dogs will always be top. You know the vibe. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I've been selling dope, selling pounds in a week. I've been fucking with the bitches, I've been in the streets. Smoking hella green, got me higher than the trees.